Knock knock, this is Janice. In TCM, as long as you can get more tea for yourself, for the men, you can have a better performance, and for the women, we will be anti-aging. Okay, so get more tea from your lower body is also very important because the qi of kidney starts from our feet and goes up to our body, to our kidney, to our all organs, to our head. So you will all the problems with your tinnitus, headache, and losing hair, and shoulder pain, back pain, lower back pain, all kinds of symptoms can be solved. So today I show you exercise that can solve so many problems, especially for men, for the performance, and the women. We have the beautiful skin and younger and more beautiful. Okay, so I show you. Okay, let's do it. Three exercises. First one, you put your hands on your knee in this way, this direction, and down. Turn left. When you turn left, the hand should be in this way, okay? Twist your hand, okay? And left, try your best to rise up, okay? And right. Pay attention. Pay attention to my hands, okay? And to feel great stretch with your back. Okay, do it for 36 times. Okay, next one, you down, in this way. Make your legs straight. Okay, and open it. Rise up. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, for 36 times. Okay, next one to open your spine. In TCM we call it the dragon spine, so spine is very important. The qi will go up to through your spine to the head. So it's simple that in this way. Okay, like a snake. Okay, I'll show you in this way. You feel the whole stretch of your spine. Okay, in this way. For 36 times. Okay, you do it. Okay, every day you can do it in the morning. Morning time will be the best time, and you keep doing for 1 month. And for the men, you tell me what's the difference for your performance. And for the women, you let me know how about your skin. Okay, anti-aging. Okay, so let's help each other to make the world better. Hope you're fine.